guys, in today's video I'm going to be making color changing slime. So I really am excited to do this. So let's get started. Yeah, so first I got to put this color changing glue into here. Okay, I'm so scared if this is going to work out. I don't think I have much glue in here. How much glue is there in here? Why is not the glue coming out? Why is it not coming out? I'm curious. Why is it actually not coming out? This is weird. Oh, okay. Bro. Why is the glue not coming out? This makes so much sound. Okay, so let's go grab some water in here. I have no idea why is it not coming out, or maybe there isn't enough. Did I say maybe 2 times? Well, that's funny. Well, it's actually like already mixing up. Let me mix it up. You know what? It just, why do I want to just like I just want to dip my fingers in it right now. I don't know why, but this is not my first time making slime. I made slime 3-5 times maybe, I'm not sure. This would probably be my, I'm not sure, something time. So you gotta shake it for a while. But this, I love this. So this is color changing. Okay. Oh my god, it's already color changing in here. That is the weirdest thing ever. Okay, so let's go put some more water. So I'm right in the kitchen, and yeah, I'm not good at edit, so I don't really know how to edit, so there are gonna be no cuts in these guys. I'm serious, no cuts. So we're gonna just leave that there for a while, and we're gonna start pouring the activator. This is like some glittery activator. I'm really excited to test it out, because I never use glittery activator until now. Oh my god, this is coming together. It's taking a long time. So we gotta put a little bit more in. Let's just hope we don't overactivate it or underactivate it. Because if we overactivate it, then I have no idea what to do. Oh my god. This is cool. Okay, so it's actually, oh great. It's activating and it's becoming a good act. It's actually activating. Okay, so we're done. Shaking it! Oh, I think we had a little bit too much water. Okay. Okay, so I'm mixing it up. I think the water is gonna make it a jiggly slime. I think so. Yeah, by the looks of it, it might be a jiggly slime. I mean, a water slime. I mean, it's good if it's a water slime, I guess. It's gonna be fun and super jiggly. Oh shoot, I added some activator in here and then it fell down. Literally standing. It's actually activating. You guys, it's crazy. Okay. It's actually activating. Okay, so it's activating, but the glue's not pouring out. Why is there glue stuck? I know there's glue in here. This does not want to go, does it? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I do not like mixing. Like, slime is fun to make, but not when it's like hard to make. Like, do you guys know what I mean? You'll probably know what I mean. Bro, oh my god. It's activating. Just gotta add in a lot of activator. We're gonna add in a lot of activator, and hopefully it doesn't over-activate. Oh, so it's coming up together. Like, you guys look, it's coming together. Thick! Okay, so it's not ready to put our hand into it yet, but I just want to feel it. See what it feels like. Like, it's kind of like, I don't know what to call it. It's like jiggle. Why is the rest of the glue not coming out? Okay, wait. You know, I'm gonna fix this. Here's what I'm gonna do. Grab chopstick and mix it up. Bro, there's so much glue in here. It's not even coming out. Oh, it came out. Finally. Okay, so we're gonna throw that away. Oh my god, I hope this video is not too long. And not too short. Cause like, yeah. Oh no. Dang, it has too much water. Okay, so it's activating. Starting to activate. Okay, so time to mix it up. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It's turning pink in my hand. It's not turning pink in here. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit more of activator. Oh my god, this is not good slime. This is good slime, but not exactly good slime yet. Oh, okay. Okay, so that one should play. You have to put it like that. we have to add a lot of activator. Because I don't know why, but I think I added a little bit too much water. Something like that, but it's activating. Yep, it's activating. Okay, so let's just make sure this video is not too loud. Down. Okay, that's activating. It's activating. Good, it's activating. There's so much glitter on my hand. Dang! Oh shit. It's like so sticky that it's... I don't get it. I don't know exactly how to say it. No! Ah, it's working. Oh. Okay. It activated. It's activating. Don't make so much sound, okay? I'm serious. Oh, okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's going good. It's going good. Oh my, so much noise. Okay. So, we Gucci, someone we Gucci. Okay, so it's changing color already, if you could see that. It looks so light on the camera, but it's actually kind of dark in real life. It looks so light on the camera, but it's kind of dark without the camera. If you were here, it would be kind of dark. Okay, no, it's actually getting kind of good. Ooh, it's so stretchy. Dang. It's actually getting stretchy. Should I? I'm not going to put that in the activator. Whoa! It changed colors so fast. Not exactly really fast, but it's so stretchy. Look at it. It's so stretchy. It's absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, not exactly subscribe, but try to subscribe to my last channel, and maybe there'll be more videos. But this slime is out of the ordinary. Did you guys see that? That is so weird. Oh my god, that is the weirdest thing ever. Like when I do this, it changes color. That is so weird. It changed color when I did that, like that. Change color. Anyways, bye guys, and thanks for watching. Peace out.